Alright, boys and girls, dividing a decimal by a whole number is pretty simple. We just have a couple of steps to follow. So hopefully you guys will find these videos useful, and as always, if you have a question for me on your homework or in your studying, please let me know and I'll do what I can. When I'm dividing a decimal number, it's my dividend, and I have a divisor on the outside. The first step in dividing a number that has a decimal in it is to bring that decimal straight up, draw it in, and now I can go ahead and I can do my digit by digit dividing. So we ask ourselves, how many groups of 2 can I make from 3? And in this case, we can make one group, and so we subtract away our 2. Now be careful with where you place your numbers when you're using these decimals, because it will have an impact on your answer. We were able to make a group of 2 out of 3, so the first number in my quotient goes right above that 3, which is in the ones place. Now I go ahead and subtract. 3 take away 2 leaves me with 1. I bring down my 2, which is in the tens place. Now I'm asking myself, how many groups of 2 can I make if I have 12? 6 times 2 is 12, so I'll go ahead and I'll write my 6 up top, take away my 12, that zeroes out, and I bring down my 4. Now I'm asking myself, how many groups of 2 can I make out of 4? And in this case, it goes in nice and even. We zero this out, and so my quotient is 1 and 62 hundredths. Now remember, if I wanted to check that, all I would have to do is take 1 and 62 hundredths times 2, and it should equal 3 and 24 hundredths.